Hi everyone, so today we're gonna do an iced coffee with coffee jelly and coffee iced cubes. So for today we're gonna need a cup, a coffee cup, of course the main ingredient, coffee. For this one I'm using a black coffee with no sugar, no milk. This one is originally from Singapore. Okay, so this one is actually Robusta coffee, not Arabica. So it's Robusta. It's actually less acidic than Arabica coffee. So what we will do is just take out the coffee bag from the sachet, put it in the cup, and add your hot boiling water. And I'm going to use a ice tray for this one. I'm just using a small size of cubes for the ice because that's all that I have. So yeah, this one we're gonna stir it, let it soak up. So that's the coffee bag. It's actually in a filter. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait, let it sit for a while, for 3 minutes, let it steep, and we're gonna come back after that. Okay, so now we're back. It's already been 3 minutes, and we're just gonna take out the coffee bag from the coffee. There you go. I'm just gonna squeeze out the balance coffee liquid inside. Okay, just put that aside. And what we're gonna do now is pour it on the ice cube tray. So for this one, I'm gonna put a tissue underneath, so if I make some mess or spill, this is easier to clean and it's not gonna flow off the counter. So just slowly pour it. I'm just going really slow on this one because I don't want to mess up. Actually, the 1 cup is quite a lot, so you will have a little bit of balance. What we can actually do is use this balanced leftover black coffee to mix together with our iced coffee later on. So there you go. What we're gonna do is just put it in the fridge and let it freeze. So for now, what we're gonna do is take your 3-in-1 instant white coffee. I like white coffee because it's creamier than a usual 3-in-1 coffee. So just fill it up with half filled with hot water. Just half will do, because later on you're gonna add the ice cubes as well and the jelly, so it's gonna take up the space inside your mug or a large tumbler. So I'm just gonna add the balanced black coffee just now for the black ice cubes. Black coffee ice cubes, I mean. Okay, stir it and let it set for a while. Okay, so we're just gonna wait until this one cools down, and just nice, our ice cubes will be ready by then. So yeah, here we go. I actually freeze it quite long, so it's really hard, and it's really frozen iced cubes. What the hell am I talking about? It's quite difficult to take it out right here because the top part is quite thick. Yes, I'm just forcing it out. So I finally managed to take it all out. Yeah, there you go. You can see it's really black coffee. You can see the color is really intense as well. Alright, so it's in small cubes, so it will easily make your coffee cold, ice cold, but not diluted, because this is gonna melt and it's gonna add in extra flavor. As it melts, it gets stronger because this one is black coffee with no sugar. So you actually dual coffee right here. Actually triple, because later the coffee jelly that we're going to add is also made out of coffee. Guys, right now, eto na siya, yung ating iced coffee. What I will do is yung ginawa kong coffee jelly. Okay, so this is our iced coffee. What we will do is the coffee jelly that I made. I'm just going to slice it through. I'm just going to slice it and make it into like cubes, small cubes. Just roughly slice like that. Where's my camera? Yeah, there. And then after that, just across. I'm just using my finger to stop it. Okay. Then don't worry, I washed my hands. So right now, what I will do is I will just cook it out like that. Just put it inside. you go. Just stir it. And you already have your very nice coffee jelly. Very good for summer, and it doesn't get diluted because why? The ice cube that we use is made from black coffee. Oh wow, this is amazing. So nice. I mean, you can do it less sweet, it's all up to you. But overall, for me, this is really good because it doesn't taste any diluted at all. So I'm just gonna enjoy this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you again for another Cooking with Vincing. By the way, this was not cooking. This is something else. I don't know what you call it, but thank you guys for watching. See you again next time. Bye-bye.